And it's now time for the business review. Thermoplastic product manufacturer OMNI Industries has been listed on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The company, which raised $500 million via the stock market, saw shares increasing by 30% at the end of trading today. It opened selling at $1 per share but closed its first trading session at $1.30. The OMNI offer closed 9 days early on the 22nd of May. The company says the funds will be used to upgrade existing machines, purchase new ones for expansion, and to inject additional working capital into the business. Meanwhile, Managing Director of the JSE, Marlene Street Forest, says the company's listing brings to 47 the number of securities on the market.
Listed on the JSE amounts now to 104, including the $500 million raised by OMNI. The total capital raised by the companies listed on the junior market now amounts to just over $21 billion. We're proud about that because when we started it was, I think, $250 million. So $21 billion is good. With OMNI's market capitalization of $2.5 billion, the overall market capitalization of the junior market now stands at $143 billion. And the overall market capitalization on the combined market is now $1.82 trillion.
Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $156.31. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.07. $199.83 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $171.72. And the JSE index advanced by 527 points today, while the junior market declined by 44 points. Among the 37 winners, OMNI Industries, Cargo Handlers, A.S. Bryden and Sons Holdings, Lasca Manufacturing and Kingston Properties. The 45 losers include Jetcon Corporation, KLE Group, Berger Paints Jamaica, Derimon Trading Company and The Lab. 22 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the business day. We have more stories right after the break.